In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Beehiiv import error quickly and safely so you can upload your subscriber list without getting blocked by common formatting issues. If you've been stuck on an import that keeps failing or Beehiiv is rejecting your CSV file, this guide will walk you through the exact steps to clean up your file, map your fields correctly, and make sure your subscribers are ready to import. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. All right, let's get into it. First, log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're inside your dashboard, the very first thing you want to do is check your file format. Beehiiv imports work best with CSV files, so make sure your subscriber list is saved as a CSV and not as an Excel file or another format. If your file is in the wrong format, open it in your spreadsheet tool and save or export it as a CSV before moving forward. Next, verify that your CSV contains an email column. This is one of the most important steps because Beehiiv needs a proper email field in order to import subscribers correctly. Open the file and look for the column that contains email addresses. If that column is missing, the import will likely fail or won't map properly later on. After that, remove duplicate email addresses from the list. Duplicate entries can cause import errors, and even if they don't stop the upload completely, they can create messy subscriber data. Go through the list and clean out any repeated emails so each subscriber appears only once. Then remove invalid email addresses. This includes addresses with typos, missing symbols, extra spaces, or anything that doesn't follow a valid email format. Invalid emails are one of the most common reasons Beehiiv imports run into trouble, so it's worth taking a moment to clean them up before uploading. You should also remove unsubscribed or bounced contacts from the CSV. If someone has already unsubscribed, or if an address is bounced in the past, keeping them in the import can create compliance problems and reduce the quality of your list. Clean those contacts out so you're only uploading active and valid subscribers. Once everything has been cleaned, save the cleaned CSV file. Make sure you save the final version carefully so you don't accidentally upload the original unedited list. This cleaned file is what you'll use in Beehiiv. Now go back to Beehiiv and head into Settings. From there, click Subscribers Import. This is where you'll upload your CSV file and bring your subscriber list into the platform. Upload the CSV file you just cleaned. Beehiiv will then prompt you to map the fields in your file. Make sure you map the email field correctly. This is the key field, and if it isn't matched properly, the import won't work the way you want it to. If your CSV includes extra columns like first name, last name, or tags, map any additional fields if needed. This helps Beehiiv organize your subscribers properly and preserves the extra data you included in the file. Before you finish, review the import settings carefully. Check everything one more time to make sure the columns are mapped correctly and the file looks clean. Most importantly, confirm that all subscribers opted in. This step matters because you want to make sure your list follows proper consent rules before importing anyone into Beehiiv. Once everything looks good, go ahead and complete the import. If your file is clean, your email column is mapped correctly, and your subscribers are opted in, the import should go through much more smoothly. And that's it. You now know how to fix a Beehiiv import error by cleaning your CSV, checking your fields, and importing the list the right way. If this tutorial helped, please hit like and subscribe for more helpful walkthroughs like this one. And I'll see you in the next video.